Fix Rainbow Six Siege KERNELBASE.dll/0xe00008 crash on launch. 1. Verify game files. Open Steam or Ubisoft Connect. Find Rainbow Six Siege. Select Verify Files or Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. Restart the launcher and try again. 2. Clear Ubisoft Connect cache. Completely close Ubisoft Connect. Exit it from the system tray. Open the Ubisoft Connect cache folder. Remove the cache contents. Restart Ubisoft Connect. 3. Repair BattlEye. Open the Rainbow Six Siege installation folder. Locate the BattlEye folder. Run the BattlEye installer or repair option. Allow the service through Windows Security if prompted. Restart the PC. 4. Run Ubisoft Connect as administrator. Right-click Ubisoft Connect. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and launch the game. 5. Disable all overlays. Disable Ubisoft Connect overlay. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA or AMD overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Restart the game after disabling them. 6. Update Windows. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Select Check for Updates. Install pending updates. Restart your computer. 7. Update or roll back GPU drivers. Download the latest GPU driver. Perform a clean driver installation if available. Restart Windows after installation. If the crash started after a driver update, test the previous stable driver. 8. Reset Rainbow Six Siege configuration. Close the game and launcher. Back up your Siege configuration files. Rename the configuration folder. Launch Siege again. Allow the game to create fresh configuration files. 9. Repair Windows system files. Open command prompt as administrator. Run SFC scanow. Wait until the scan finishes. Run DSM online, clean up image, restore health, restart the PC. 10. Close conflicting background apps. Close MSI Afterburner. Close Rivatuner Statistics Server. Disable RGB control software. Close hardware monitoring utilities. Temporarily disable unnecessary third-party antivirus features. Launch Siege again. Check Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Check protection history. Make sure Siege and BattlEye have not been blocked. Add legitimate game files to allowed applications when necessary. 12. Reinstall Ubisoft Connect. Uninstall Ubisoft Connect. Restart your PC. Download the latest Ubisoft Connect installer. Install it again.